Most people are growing spider plants completely wrong, and that's exactly why they stay small, weak, and slow. If your plant has thin leaves, barely grows, or never produces babies, you're not alone. These are the most common problems plant lovers face, even after months of care. But here's the good news. With a few simple changes, you can dramatically speed up growth. In this video, I'll share 7 hidden tricks that can naturally boost your spider plant's growth up to 3 times faster. You'll learn how to grow a fuller, healthier, bushier plant and finally get those beautiful baby spider plants. Most spider plants don't grow well because of a few simple but critical mistakes. One of the biggest issues is wrong watering, either too much or too little. Both can slow growth significantly. Another hidden reason is root-bound conditions, where crowded roots limit growth. Fixing these problems is the first step to unlocking faster, healthier growth. Trick number 1, perfect light balance. The first hidden trick is getting the light just right, because this alone can completely change how fast your spider plant grows. Spider plants thrive in bright, indirect light, where they get enough energy without being exposed to harsh rays. A little gentle morning sunlight can boost growth, but strong afternoon sun can burn the leaves and slow everything down. On the other hand, keeping your plant in low light will result in weak, thin leaves and very slow development. Placing it near a window with filtered light creates the perfect balance, helping your plant grow faster, fuller, and much healthier over time. Trick number 2, smart watering method. The next hidden trick is mastering the right watering method, because watering mistakes are one of the biggest reasons spider plants grow slowly. Instead of watering on a fixed schedule, always check the top layer of soil and let it dry slightly before watering again. This prevents the roots from sitting in constant moisture, which can lead to rot and weak growth. When you do water, make sure to water deeply so the roots get enough moisture. Overwatering can cause yellowing leaves, while underwatering leads to dry, pale foliage. Finding the right balance will keep your plant healthy and growing much faster. Trick number 3, fast growth soil mix. The next hidden trick is using the right soil mix, because your spider plant's roots need space to breathe and grow quickly. Regular garden soil alone is often too heavy and holds too much water, which can slow down growth and even damage the roots. Instead, use a well-draining mix made of garden soil, compost, and sand or perlite. This combination allows excess water to drain easily while still holding enough moisture and nutrients. Healthy roots grow faster in this type of soil, and when the roots are strong and active, the leaves above will grow quicker, greener, and much more vibrant over time. Trick number 4, natural growth boosters. The next hidden trick is feeding your spider plant with natural growth boosters, because nutrients play a huge role in how fast it grows. Over time, the soil loses its nutrients, and the plant starts to slow down. Adding organic options like compost or vermicompost can give a steady supply of essential nutrients. You can also use banana peel fertilizer occasionally for an extra potassium boost, which helps with stronger, healthier leaves. Liquid organic feed every few weeks can further support growth, but avoid overfeeding, as too much fertilizer can harm the roots. The right balance will keep your plant growing faster and looking lush. Trick number 5, repot at the right time. Another powerful trick is repotting your spider plant at the right time. Spider plants grow quickly, and over time their roots can become crowded or root-bound, which severely slows down growth. If you notice roots coming out of the drainage holes, slowed growth, or a pot that looks too small for the plant, it's time to repot. Move it into a slightly larger pot with fresh, well-draining soil to give the roots space to expand. Fresh soil provides new nutrients, and extra room for roots encourages faster development. Repotting at the right time can give your spider plant an instant boost in growth and vitality. Trick number 6, pruning for faster growth. Pruning is another hidden trick that can make a huge difference in your spider plant's growth. Removing dead, yellow, or damaged leaves not only improves the plant's appearance, but also redirects its energy toward new, healthy growth. Cutting off brown tips and unhealthy foliage prevents the plant from wasting resources on parts that won't recover. Regular pruning encourages the plant to grow fuller and bushier, as it stimulates the production of fresh leaves and stems. By giving your spider plant this simple, consistent care, you help it focus its energy where it matters most, resulting in faster growth and a more vibrant, thriving plant. Trick number 7. Multiply with babies. Another hidden trick for faster growth is properly managing the baby spider plants, also called spiderettes. While it might be tempting to leave all the babies attached, removing some of them allows the mother plant to focus its energy on growing stronger and producing bigger, healthier leaves. You can replant the babies separately to multiply your spider plants, but giving the main plant breathing room encourages faster overall growth. By strategically managing the spiderettes, you not only get more plants but also help the mother plant thrive, grow bushier, and develop a fuller, healthier appearance much more quickly than if all the babies were left attached. Finally, paying attention to humidity and temperature can give your spider plant a real growth boost. Spider plants thrive in moderate humidity, which keeps their leaves lush and prevents them from drying out. Too dry or too cold environments can slow growth and stress the plant, while extreme heat can scorch the leaves. Maintaining a stable indoor temperature, ideally between 18 degrees C and 24 degrees C, 65 degrees F, 75 degrees F, creates the perfect conditions for steady growth. By keeping your spider plant in a comfortable, consistent environment, you support all the other growth tricks you've applied, helping it grow faster, healthier, and producing more vibrant, bushy leaves over time. To wrap it all up, these 7 hidden tricks can completely transform how your spider plant grows. From giving it the perfect light and watering it correctly, to using well-draining soil, natural growth boosters, timely repotting, regular pruning, and managing its babies, each step plays a crucial role in speeding up growth. Even paying attention to humidity and temperature can make a noticeable difference. By applying these methods consistently, you'll see your spider plant grow faster, become bushier, develop more vibrant leaves, and finally produce those beautiful baby spider plants. Small changes can truly create big results in the health and vitality of your plant. By combining all these tricks, you can truly triple your spider plant's growth and enjoy a lush, healthy, and thriving plant that produces plenty of baby spider plants. Implementing these simple, but often overlooked methods will make your spider plant look vibrant, bushy, and full of life in much less time than you might expect.